I've been on the road, try to run it up. Just blowing on my phone, she can't get enough. Pussy got a nigga stuck. Wow, man, that pussy fire. I'm trying to run it up. Just blowing on my phone, she can't get enough.
What is up, guys and girlies? So today I'm going to be doing a makeup, not a tutorial, really just doing my makeup. Because I did my hair, another video. But right now I'm about to do my makeup and show y'all probably some stuff I like to use or how I like to do it and talk about nothing, but you can watch. So stay tuned. Alright, I like to do my eyebrows last. I feel like if you do them first, it don't be sharp because you already done tapped all around and all that. So that's why I like to do my eyebrows last. I use this e.l.f. powder. I do like 2 pumps because it's real sticky. Don't forget the neck. I use concealer as foundation just because I got my exact shade. Well, not exact shade, I just like not that much coverage. And I feel like foundation just be too much. So I like to use concealer as foundation. I don't use that much, but first I'm gonna color correct. I don't really say light bead or soft bead on myself because I be getting carried away, so we're just gonna do whatever happens. I didn't use sunscreen for a long time because I was like, not to sound like an old black lady, but I thought black people didn't need sunscreen. And when I started using, like, my skin got like so glowy. I like the mirror in this Morphe contour thing because it's so big. I don't know my like exact shade, like, but I don't feel like I got like what is it? Warm undertones. I don't feel like it because I got like some foundation undertones and it was like orange. Well, I guess because it was cold. Because you know, like when it's cold, you get like paler or lighter or whatever it is. Yeah, summertime you get like 10, so that's probably what it was, but that's what it was. Like, this shade kind of okay, but I feel like it's kind of light, but it's close. And I use regular daily concealer. I use Ruby Kisses shade Toast. That's my shade. And I like brushes over sponges, but it kind of depends. I seen that whole thing going on TikTok like, oh, I like brushes more than sponges or whatever. I like brushes for my concealer because I feel like you don't gotta put that much, like, cause it stay on the brush. But on the sponge, you gotta use more. But I do use sponge for powder. I don't get using it with a brush. You can't really put it how you want to. That's what I think. Don't make sense. Okay, I ain't gonna put too much because that brush blends out everywhere. Alright, that should be enough. And then I don't put too much around up under my eyes because I don't want it to be like real thick. But I do put like a little bit. Like, I take it up there. Okay, so I use a 200 Real Technique brush. I use Ruby Kisses and Warm Honey. Just a little bit. Not too much because I'm using a brush, so I really don't need that much. I used to just sit here for like so long trying to, oh, gotta get every line right, but you really don't. Like, you just gotta select it on there. You just gotta blend it right, but you don't gotta put it on there that good. Like, you can just wipe it on there, like, it's not that serious. But I used to think it was so important, but it's really not. I just don't feel like a sponge could do that. Like, you see that? Like, I just don't feel like. And then if you use too much concealer, just use your foundation brush and just pat over it. I don't do that. I ain't doing that right now because I didn't. So this is just regular concealer. I like bright concealer. That's why I gotta look in this mirror, cause I could carry away and be white. Camo concealer and caramel. Don't shoot me, but I'm gonna use another concealer. Just a dot. This one real bright, look at that. Oh, this is e.l.f. medium beige. It's a little lighter than that one I just used. I'll bring it up the nose like that. Like that just look so much better than me. See? Okay. Where'd the brush go? Okay, here it is. Okay. Alright. I use that Mahogany one. I'm gonna show y'all how to cover up a pimple. On my nose, I do like two little lines right here, right there, and then I'll go. I'll show you. And then I do a little triangle right here, like that. I'm using some brush. I don't know what it is, but I do like that. If it ain't that dark, then don't worry, cause you gonna have to set it with powder anyway, so don't make it too dark or too light right here, cause you're gonna have to put more stuff on it to make it darker anyway, so don't do the most. about that. I be so low, like, I be like an old man. Sit up. Okay. See, this one I feel like it started getting bright up under here. And then I'll go back and add some more. I'll use a sponge on my nose. I don't know about y'all, but I love blush. Something about it. Alright, so now I'm about to sit. I use Too Faced translucent. And when I get my powder, I take this little thing out. Like the little thing, you know, with the little holes. I take it out. Cause like, that's just holding me back from what I need. Alright, what? I like to do this to my brows because I don't like when the pencil just be sliding everywhere. I feel like this just make it like dry. So I do the acne powder and Mocha. I use this to this off so it don't be white. I do blush. This the blush is this one and this one, and I kind of like mix them together, but I like this one more. This the pink one, and this the red one. See? Alright, time for brows. I don't even know if I'm gonna record this because it's just so extra.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Alright. Okay. Doing the mascara. I put brow gel on my brows. I don't know what to do, but I like it. So, yeah. Now, I'm going to do my lashes. Alright, whipped cream all over my other ones, so I have to get some new ones. So these are, ooh. So these are the lashes. Don't mind me. Right here. Alright. Okay, now we're about to do the lips. Alright, I'm about to finish my lip. I don't know where to get this lipstick at, but I love this lipstick. It's called In Love by LA Colors. And then I use this Silky gloss actually. It actually do feel like that though. Cashmere. You don't feel like nothing. I'm about to show y'all how to cover up a pimple. Like I said I was gonna do. Okay, and this is a color guy. I already did a highlighter. I like to do this. This is what I like to do. I use this right here. It's like a glitter liner. And I put it right up under here. I like to do this. And it's cute to me, so I put a line like right up under my eyebrow. Oh, that's so cute, right? Yeah. So I'm gonna do both of these. Oh. I already did highlight it up, but yeah, I'll do this. This is how you cover a pimple. You put them all on it like this. Watch carefully. You remember earlier I said pimple? Now some mold. Look at that. Yep. And then I'll bring back this mold I got over here. And this mold over here that I got. And then I'll just make some random ones. I'm using just regular liner. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. I'm done. I finished my makeup and I finished my hair. It's probably gonna be 2 separate videos because it's too long. But I'll show y'all pictures. Alright, because I'm gonna put a scrunchie on it. And I'm gonna dip the ends because I still haven't did that. So this is the final look. Real cute, real. Follow, like, I'm subscribed, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.